HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art. Hi friends, are you ready to have some fun? Today we're going to draw a dinosaur. Let's start. Doesn't he have a big head? The circles can be his scales. That looks like a nice dinosaur. Shall we color him in now? Let's start with red, my favorite color. Which is your favorite color? Now, orange. And then yellow. Make sure you keep the color within the black lines. Shall we move to green? Then blue. Lovely! Purple for the legs. The dinosaur is ready to run! Hello kids! Today we're going to learn how to draw a pineapple. Let's start with the head of the pineapple. It has spiky leaves. And now the main part of the pineapple. The little circles are like spikes, up and down, all over the pineapple. Now let's color the pineapple. Should we start with the spiky head? Yes! Let's color it green. Now moving down. I like red. Let's color the top line red. Shiny orange next. Neat and tidy. One circle at a time. Yellow! Bright, just like the sun. One line to match the spike with green. Down to blue. Pretty blue. And then we come to purple. What a beautiful pineapple! Colorful as a rainbow.
Hey kids, guess what? Today we're going to be colouring and drawing a pop-it unicorn. Woohoo! Start with the outline. And if you need to, you can pause the video and do one bit at a time. There we go. Let's do some stripes, horizontal going across from side to side, left to right. And now we're doing the poppers. So lots of circles in between each line. Brilliant! If you want, you could trace around a small circular object. That would make it easier. Brilliant! I wonder how many circles we will need to do all the poppers. Can you count them? Darkening up the border. That will make the colours stand out once we paint or colour it in. Did you manage to count how many poppers there were? How many circles? There are 28 circles. Well done, great counting. So we've started with red. We're using a gorgeous glittery paint and a small tipped paintbrush. So we've gone for orange. Doing the circles first. Or you could just paint over the whole lot if you want it to be the same colour. Or why not use two different shades? One for the circles and one for the parts around the circles. Brilliant! Let's go for yellow. We're fading out here. Red to gold to yellow. Getting paler as we go. Lovely. What colour should we do next? Do you have a favourite colour? You can choose all your own favourite colours. You don't have to do the same as this. We're going to keep it yellow for the next one too. 2 layers of yellow, just like 2 layers of red. Green for the next part. That's right, because this is the neck of the unicorn going into the body. Lovely bright green that is. Blue. Very nice. You see how the colours are fading into one another? It's just like a rainbow. And what colour shall we do the last layer? Purple, what a great choice. Purple is my favourite colour. What's yours? This unicorn's looking amazing, don't you think? And we're done! Woohoo! There you have it, get poppin'! It's a pop-it unicorn disco!